Alright, this is to demonstrate the noise coming from, I believe it's from my clutch. It's a stage 4 competition clutch with competition light and flywheel. Just installed it about 300 miles, and I've noticed that saying about 2 weeks now, and I couldn't explain where else it's coming from. Besides, I'm suspecting it's the clutch. Where's the noise? The noise seems to be from the first gear or reverse while letting go of the clutch. You can probably hear it by now. That's from a dead stop. Again, that's from a dead stop.